there everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to encourage you guys to give this video an advanced thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any of my YouTube videos. There's a lot of fun things coming up this fall. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fall junk journal using Dollar Tree cards. And I have a really fun freebie available over on my blog. I will put the link in the description box down below. It is a fall junk journal challenge. So I started a junk journal challenge in July. And I started off strong and then life got crazy, so I never finished it. But I love working in a junk journal. I think it's super fun to mix and match all sorts of different elements. And so I thought it would be neat to do a junk journal challenge for the fall using fall themes and items. And one thing that I also wanted to do that I haven't seen anyone do yet is include Bible verses. So there's one side that's a smaller one that just has the 40 prompts, and then there is a longer one that has the 40 prompts with a Bible verse for each of them. So if you want to kind of do a faith junk journal challenge, this one would be great for you. And you'll notice it has this really cute background, and that is inspired by my fall bucket list printable available over on my Etsy shop, and I will put a link in the description box to check out this printable in my Etsy shop. It is also might be on sale right now for a limited time, so definitely go pick this up. It has a lot of cute icons that will match with some of the themes here, and you'll see me use that printable more in this video. So I want to encourage you guys to use the hashtag Fall Junk Journal Challenge on Instagram. Be sure to tag me at Creative Faith Co. because I can't wait to see how you guys use this. So again, there are two different printables that you guys can find on my blog, and this is for personal use only. And I'm just really excited to see how we can get creative this fall. So now I'm going to put you guys on fast forward. Oh, and I wanted to show you before I did that, this is kind of the bones of my junk journal, what I'm going to use. I did this in February. I made a Valentine's love related one, and I have a YouTube video where I walk through that, and so I'll link that in the description box below. But when I was at the Dollar Tree the other day, I saw these really cute fall cards, and they were all $1. Some of them were 2 for $1. And so I thought it would be really fun to make a fall junk journal. And I love the little houses and the sparkles and the gold foil. And they even had Christian ones, which I loved. This is one of my favorites. To everything there's a season, a time for every purpose under heaven. Ecclesiastes 3:1. And then this last one, a time for thanksgiving, God above, for all his blessings wrapped in love. And using Dollar Tree cards to make a junk journal is not my idea. I discovered it from Celeste. Her Instagram handle is precious to me. She did this for Christmas last year, and I saw the video and I thought that is so cool, so I made the one for Valentine's Day, and now I'm going to make this one for fall to include with my junk journal challenge. So let me put you guys on fast forward now, and I'll walk through the setup of how I make my junk journal. Alright, here is the final setup of my little book. So I added some papers and took out some papers, got the little rings on, And so I'll just do a little flip through. So this one, the Dollar Tree cards, and then I taped in the Fall Faith Junk Journal Challenge, so I can go in order or out of order, and I can mark them off while I go. I can use an image, or I could write out the verse, or both. And then here's another one of the Dollar Tree cards. And then I also pulled some elements from my printables. So these little hearts and this little, what would you call it, like scrapbook corner thing, came from my Praise Him printable that I'll link in the description box below. I also used some of Allie Scrap's prayer request cards, and I will link this set down below. It has you'll see it sprinkled throughout. I used the same set. And so these will be perfect spots for journaling. This came from my Fall Bucket List printable in my Etsy shop. Will be linked below. This one came from my Dancing Leaves printable. I'll link that below. And this is just this paper my mom got for me, and this paper came from my friend Holly in some Happy Mail last year. I was saving it for this year. I love the leaves on the back. I used the envelope, 2 of the envelopes, and I thought this would be a cute spot to tuck a journal card, or maybe I'll actually cut this down. So I can put some little note in here. This is from my Queen Esther printable. I'll link that below. And then this one is from the same Praise Him printable that these 2 came from. So that's a cute little spot to write a verse. Here's another one of the cards, and I cut up the cards, which you guys saw in the time lapse. And in the first video that I made back in February, I did not do that, but I'm glad I did for this setup. So cute. This is also from my Dancing Leaves printable. This one's from my Queen Esther kit. And so you'll see I prepped some of the pages this way, just because I thought it would be easier. I am more likely to participate and finish a challenge like this if I have things already set up a bit. So I'm thinking also to help prepare me for success, I'm going to pull out some of these little cards and put them in the pockets. So I think I'll put these in here. And I think I'll put the sticky notes in that first one. And then this little sticky note I'm going to stick back. So I thought that was a neat way to use envelopes, and it provides awesome journaling spots. These little cards, little paper clips. Here's another one of the Dollar Tree cards with the cute foil. I did a sticker here from last year. So I keep all my fall stuff in a little Ziploc, and so in December of last year I put it on the Ziploc and put it away, and so now I can pull it out again, which is fun. Here's another one of Allie's prayer request cards. Another Dollar Tree card. This came in some Happy Mail. And then I added one of these little library pockets, just a clear pocket from Target, and I put a prayer request card and one of the sticky notes in there. So that's a cute little spot, and that's my book. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions, and let me know if you're going to be participating in the Fall Junk Journal Challenge. I would love to see your creations and your videos and all the fun things you're going to do. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at Creative Faith Co. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!